It sounds like Washougal was the last race we are going to see Colt Nichols this year. As of today, as I'm recording this, we have an update, a release, a quote, whatever you want to call it, from him saying, quote, "Not the news I want to share, but I finally had to get my thumb fixed this past week. I originally tore the UCL ligament in my right thumb at Paula and had a few little crashes at Southwick and Redbud that really did it in. It was a struggle all summer to hang on, but I just really wanted to race and be behind the gate. I'm going to do everything I can to heal up and get back ASAP." As I'm recording this, so no more points are going to be gained by him since he's not going to be racing anymore. At the moment, he is 18th in the Pro Motocross standings with 90 points. So not exactly a great year for him. Obviously, if you have a hand injury, racing is just going to be very hard. Holding onto the bars, the just jarring from landing all the time, it's obviously not going to be a very easy thing for him. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully you can go get that fixed and fully heal. Who knows if he's somebody in the comments below, tell me if we'd be even if the math works out that he could make it for SMX playoffs. I doubt it at this point, being 18th in this and wherever he finished in Supercross. So it sounds like probably next year we'll be seeing him, or back would be the next time we'd be seeing him. But like I said, comment down below if you know the actual math behind that, because I don't. Sorry, I don't. I have no idea how that works. And it sucks. I mean, obviously, you never want to see anybody get injured, even if they're having a lackluster year. You never want to see anybody, finish their year not being able to race because of an injury. Especially, I mean, for him, for dealing with this all summer long, that's got to really suck. You have a sore hand after the first moto and have to go back out there for moto number 2. Obviously, not exactly the best thing in the world for him. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Have you been enjoying this outdoor season? Are you excited for the SMX playoffs and Supercross next year? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.